All right, cool. Let's continue. Thank you for joining this class. Today is Tuesday, October. Wow, it's almost the last, well, this is the last week of this month. It's October. And then we have November, the last month. All right. Thank you for joining. I was telling you, it's a pleasure to see you here. It's a pleasure. You are alive. You are with energy. And I hope you have rested enough. All right. Let's see. Today we are going to learn about specific vocabulary on deserts. All right. Diego Abraham, how are you today? All right.
How are you, mister?
I'm good. I'm good so far. And you?
Good, mister.
Everything's going well. Excellent. Good. Okay. Guys, please, I need you to open your books on chapter 4. It's the last chapter about this book. It's about deserts. We are going to be working on these different topics about deserts, about Sahara, and different things. All right. But today's topic, it's all about hot deserts. So let's continue. Here I have a question for you. Please help me, and we need to identify the words from the vocabulary words, all right? The specific words in this case. So the question says, what can you find in hot deserts? Who can help me? Here it says, you can see desert foxes and lizards. They rest in shady places in the daytime. So I will help you. In this case, I'm going to underline the word, which one?
Lizard and shady.
Exactly, shady and lizards. All right, is this animal? This is lizards. This is the animal. All right, and the foxes are like this. Good. Let's continue. And then we have the ground in deserts is very dry. Dry is a word that we already know, but probably we forget it. Sometimes we forget it. All right. So dry is all this ground. The ground in the desert is dry. It's not wet. It's not fresh. It's dry. All right. So let's underline this word. Okay, give me a moment. I'm giving access to some of you. Right? Cool, let's continue. And then we have, you can see many. What is this word? Who can help me? It's a cactus, okay, but in this case it's plural, exactly. So we need to underline this word. And the last one, grass and bushes. We need to underline bushes.
En la anterior se le olvidó subrayar stems.
Exactly.
Bushes.
Thank you for reminding me. Thank you. Thank you, Monica. So let's underline stems. Very good. They have thick stems to store water, to keep water. All right. Thank you. Let's see. And then we have to continue. Give me a moment. I'm going to, in this case, I'm going to mute you. Wait. So let's continue. All right. And then we have the vocabulary. Please pay attention to the pronunciation for each word. So let me find the track. I think is this. All right. Let me see. Yes, it's that one. All right. Can you listen to the track?
Chapter 4.
Good.
Deserts. Lesson 13. All about hot deserts.
Key words: dry, cactus, bush, stem, lizard, shady.
All right, shady. So here we have a picture. We have an illustration about different words. So dry is the ground, cactus is the plant, is a desert plant in this case, and bush, it's similar to another plant that is usually to see in hot deserts. Stem, it's part of the plant, and the animal lizard. And shady, it's a cool, it's a fresh place. All right. Any question about the pronunciation about these words? Are we good? Let's continue. Can we continue?
Yes.
Wonderful. All right. So let's see. I'm going to erase these notes just to see it better. All right. Here we have a definition about a small definition, dry. In simple words, it's the opposite about not wet. You can copy in your book, in your notebooks if you want. If not, no problem. All right. So I will give you an example about this word. Here we have, he dry the dishes with, okay, I need a volunteer. Who can help me? In this case, I'm going to request Dimitri. I think Dimitri is here. Yes, definitely, he's here. Okay, Dimitri, can you help me read the example, please?
He dried the dishes with a towel.
With the towel. Okay, wonderful. So he dried, exactly, because the dishes were wet. All right, and an example, an illustration, I can tell you, I can give you this. All right, you have the picture about dry. It's not wet, it's dry. It's the opposite of wet. So let's continue. Cactus. You know this. It's a spiky desert plant. These plants, we cannot see it in the city. Well, actually, some people have these plants in the house. But as you know, these plants don't require or don't need a lot of water.
Yo tengo un montón.
Really? Okay.
No me
Good.
gustan.
So Santi, help me, please. Santi, help me read the example, please. Read this example. Do me a favor.
Desert plant.
Okay, and this one, Michael?
Michael Harley waters his cactus.
Cactus. Okay, Harley. Okay, so this means he seldom, or he hardly ever water his cactus. All right. An example, a typical example, as Santi said, Santi says that he has a lot of cactus in his house. All right, let's continue. Bush. Bush in this case is a rural forest area, specifically for plants. Here's my example. We planted some bushes in front of our new house. So this is your house, but outside or out of your house, you have planted some of these bushes, right? In Spanish, it would be like arbustos, right? Bushes. That is the correct word. All right, let's continue. Do you guys have any question about these words? No? Are we good?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Let's continue. And then we have another example about bushes. Stem. All right. Here I need your help. Who can help me? Who can give me an example about this? This is the definition. Plant stalk. Okay, plant stalk. Stem. I will give you the idea with the illustration. This is parts of the stem. We have a terminal or apical boot, we have nodes, we have etc. Right? So this is part of the stem, but we are not in science class. Okay, we are not in science class because Miss Claudia she's an expert about this, Miss Claudia. But in this case, I will give you just the illustration. So I need an example. Who can give me an example about stem, this word? Let's see. You can write in the chat. Please help me. Let's go. Let's see. What we
The
have?
plants have a stem.
All right, so let's write it. Thank you, Danny. The plant. Let me see. Right. In plural. Okay, we're going to, because we don't need to specify. Plants have stems. All right, simple. That is a simple sentence. It's correct. All right. Thank you. Let's see another example in the chat. Okay, Dimitri says the stem fell and cracked because it was holding too much leaves. Okay, like a flower, like a rose, exactly. Too much leaves on other side. Yes. So in simple words, a stem is this. Let me see. All right, this is the stem. This is all the plant, but this is the stem. All this, all of this, all right? And these are the leaves. So, and they don't need it. We don't need it right now. Let's continue. Thank you, Dimitri, for that illustration. Let's continue. Thank you, Danny. And then we have the last, well, almost the last word. And this is another example about stem. Let's continue. Lizard. This is the animal. Reptile. This is a reptile. All right. Different type of animals. I will give you an example. There are legless. Oh, wow. Look at this. There are legless lizards in the desert in the western US or United States. So, right. Legless means that these animals don't have legs. So they don't have. They are like this. Right? They look like that. All right. So this is the example. The lizard. You know, they are like something like serious, right? They look like angry. So be careful with those animals when you see them. All right. Let's see. Yes, lizards live in the desert because they are cold-blooded. Yes, exactly. They are cold-blooded. Good example, Dimitri. All right. In some cases, we can see them on the beach, right? On the beach, in some ranch. Exactly. Let's continue. This is the last one. Shady. Who can help me read this one, please? Shady. What's the definition about this word? Shady. Any volunteer? Who can help me read this?
Me.
Go ahead. Thank you.
It was a lovely, shady garden surrounded by tall trees.
Tall trees, exactly. Tall trees. It was a lovely, shady garden. It's when you go to the shade, to the shadow, in simple words. So, thank you, Ariana. This is the illustration. So, in all this area, there is sun, there is light, and this is the shady. Why? Because all tall trees are giving me, are offering me, in this case, shady. Good. Let's see another example, another illustration. We have this. And the definition is with plenty of shade. Like this, right? When you want to rest, when you want to take a nap, it's a comfortable place. All right. Let's continue. And then we have to listen to the track. Okay, let me find the track, the correct track. In this case, it's this one. All right.
All about hot deserts. When you imagine a desert, what do you see in your mind? Let's learn about hot deserts. Deserts are very dry places. They get very little rain. Temperature can reach 55 degrees Celsius. But, surprisingly, the nights are very cold. Deserts usually have lots of sand and rocks. Strong winds make hills with the sand. These hills are called sand dunes. There are plants in deserts too. Cactuses, bushes, and grass all grow there. Some plants have long roots to find water under the ground. Other plants store water in their stems and leaves. Animals also live in deserts. You can see coyotes, lizards, and snakes there. Many desert animals sleep in shady places or underground in the daytime. They come out at night when it is cooler. Hot deserts are interesting places.
All right. Thank you for listening to the track. So here we have learned about specific information about animals, about deserts, about different aspects you can see in the desert. So any question about this reading, this story? No?
No.
No? All right. Good, guys. Excellent. Let's go to the reading comprehension part. So let's discuss. Who can give me the example? I'm sorry, the answer is not example. The answer about number 1. Choose the best answer. We have 3 options. What is this passage mainly about? How plants grow in hot deserts? Letter B, windy weather in hot deserts. Or letter C, what hot deserts are like?
Letter
Letter C.
C.
Letter
Letter
C?
Letter C because it's
C.
telling us what hot deserts are like. Although they missed a lot of stuff.
All right, exactly. It's letter C. Thank you. Let's underline this answer. What hot deserts are like. Okay, go ahead. Let's see. Monica, please read number 2 and read the answers, please.
How hot can deserts be? 45 degrees Celsius, 55 degrees Celsius, 65 degrees Celsius.
It's talking about the temperature.
B, 55 degrees Celsius.
55. Thank you, Dimitri. Thank you, Monica. Exactly. 55 is the temperature. Good. And let's see another volunteer. Danny, please, can you read number 3 and give me the answer, please? Go ahead. Read number 3.
Hello.
Thank you.
Why do desert plants have long roots?
Letter A, to collect underground water. B, to keep water in their stems. Or letter C, to find cool places.
A.
Letter
A.
Letter A,
letter
A,
yes.
to collect underground water.
Water.
Yes.
Exactly. Remember, roots. The roots is la raíz, right? The roots. Good, it's letter A. Thank you. All right, you can underline the answers. And then we have to continue. Thank you, Camila. It's that one. Yes, it's correct. Let's continue. All right. Let's see. We are ready. Right. Number 4. Let's see. For number 4, we have check true or false. Okay, this question goes to, let's see, Deborah, please. Deborah, what do you think? Is true or false? Number 5, I mean. Oops, wait. It's missing one, right? Yes, it's missing one, I think. Yes, number 4 was missing. Sorry. Let's see. Deborah, you can help me, please. When do many desert animals sleep? What is the answer? In the daytime, in the evening, or at night? Remember,
In the
lizards,
daytime?
exactly. It's talking about lizards and foxes and different animals. Coyotes, right? So in this case is in the daytime. They sleep because at night they go out. They go out in the desert and they are very dangerous. Let's continue. Thank you. All right. I didn't see the number 4 because I had an option at the bottom. That's why. Okay, let's continue. Number 5. Who can help me, please? Read number 5. Any volunteer? Go ahead. Don't be shy.
It is really hot at night in the desert. False.
It's false, right? It's really hot at night in the desert. No, it's different. It's the opposite. During the daytime, it's hot, but overnight, wow, it's very, very cool. All right, in this case, it's false. Thank you, Monica. What about number? Okay, we have other volunteers. Let's see. All right, Diego Abraham, help me, please. Read number 6. Number 6. Go ahead, please. Activate your microphone. Turn on your microphone. Help me, please. Number 6.
Heavy rain in the desert make sand dunes.
Sand dunes. Okay, it's like those mountains about sand. They form. They are formed. So is heavy rain in the desert makes sand dunes? True or false?
True.
Sure.
False.
It's about the
False.
rain or it's about wind?
False. It's the wind.
It's the wind,
You
exactly.
see, the
in
wind
this case.
pushes the sand together little by little, creating dunes.
Exactly. They are creating little by little. So in this case, it's not about rain. Rain, they destroy it. They destroy them. But talking about wind, yes. In this case, it's false. No problem, Diego, no problem. We are learning. So on the last one, who can give me the 2 missing words? Where do...
I already know it all.
Okay.
Stem leaves.
Stem. You know one.
Stem, number 1. And the other one? Stem and what?
And leaves.
Stem and leaves. Okay. So stems and leaves. Exactly. Those are the missing words. Thank you, guys. All right. So you can copy. Where do some desert plants store water? So keep water, collect water in simple words. They store or they collect water in their stems, like cactus and leaves, exactly. So let's continue with this, with the other page. We are working on page 90 and then 91. Any questions at the moment? Are we good?
No.
All right.
No.
Thank you. We almost finished this class, no problem. And then we go to the breakfast. All right. Graphic organizer and summary. Here we need to complete this information with these words: rocks, long, cold, water, and shady. All right. Any volunteer to read the first square, please? This one, weather, talking about weather. Who can help me?
Cold.
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 Little rain, hot in the daytime,
And cold at the night.
Exactly. Hey, well done, well done. All right. So cold. Let's see. Thank you. Talking about land, the other side. Land, about hot deserts as well. Lots of sand and
Rocks.
rocks. Okay. Exactly. Very good. That's right. I'm going to write it. Rocks. Okay. Rocks and sand dunes. Dumps. And plants. About, okay. Plants. We have roots.
Long roots.
Long
To
roots.
collect water.
Yes, they collect water. They accumulate water. Thank you. Okay. Is long, right? Okay, it's missing one. Keep what?
Water.
Air.
Keep water. Good. All right, thank you guys. In stem and leaves. Okay, in the last one, about animals. Speaking of
Shady.
animals.
Shady.
Sleeping, yes,
Shady
shady.
places.
Shady places. All right. Cool places in the daytime. Come out at night. Yes, they come out at night. All right. Here we have the answers. You can copy them. All right. Questions about vocabulary? About this
No,
part? No? Are we good?
No.
everything clear.
Everything is clear. Good, Danny. Right. I'm going to erase it. Let's see. Daytime. Yes, we're good. All right. Let's continue. And then we have the last part about the summary. This is the summary. Complete the summary with the words from the box. Okay, here I need volunteers to read, please. Each section, each section. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, thank you, Dimitri. Go ahead, continue, please, up to this point. And
Hot
give me the answer.
deserts are very dry places. They usually have sand and rocks on the ground.
On the ground, correct. Let's see. Dry is a word, the missing word. Good. Okay, let's continue. Another. Monica, please continue. The wind. Thank you.
The wind also makes sand dunes.
Uh-huh.
The wind
Exactly.
also makes sand dunes.
Sand dunes. Okay, good. Like a mountain. About sand. Yes. Bushes, continue, please.
Bushes, cactus, and grass live in hot deserts.
In grass. Okay. Is that correct word? In grass?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Grass. In hot desert. Okay, I need another volunteer who can help me this time. Let's see, we have the answers. Thank you. All right. And then, all right, Natalie, please activate your microphone and help me. Continue reading, please. Here, some plants. Please. Go ahead. Natalie, can you? Can you activate your microphone? Natalie, are you there? Yes? No? All right, let's see.
She's not here, mister.
Yes, she got out. She got out. All right,
Le
go
da
ahead,
pena.
continue. Valeria, she's not afraid. She's not ashamed. Okay, Valeria Lopez, go ahead, please. Continue reading. Thank you.
Some plants keep water inside their stems and leaves.
Stems and leaves. Exactly, it's part of the plant. Yes. All right, another volunteer. Different volunteer.
Me.
Okay, go ahead. Continue reading, please.
Others have long roots to collect water.
To collect water, exactly. To collect water. All right. Wait. Stems. The answer is?
Collect.
Collect, right? Collect, yes, collect. I didn't see the verb. Thank you. All right. Hot water. Hot, in this case, hot deserts are also home to some animals. Okay. And the last one, who has the answer?
They sleep, mister.
They sleep in the daytime and come out at night. Okay. Then the information repeats again, one more time. Yes. Okay. Sleep. All right, guys. We're done. We're finished. Okay, but don't disconnect. Don't disconnect. Let's see. Thank you for joining, and you can copy the answers for the ones. Please don't forget to send me the homework, the daily homework. Please, you can copy the answers, but don't disconnect. Wait, give me 1 more minute. All right, I'm going to erase this. Did you copy? Did you guys copy the answers?
Yes.
All right,
Yes.
thank you. All right, let's see. All right. And then we had the last one, right? This is just to have fun. See you in language class. Please don't forget to connect to language class. We need to complete those exercises and information.
See
we
you
need to learn.
later, alligator.
See you later, alligator. Okay, see you in a while, after a while. Okay, guys, please don't disconnect. I just want to take the attendance list. All right, thank you.
Voy a salir.
Okay, guys, I'm giving you points, extra points, all right, for the devotionals, all right? En los
Mister, yo me
devocionales.
metí en la anterior y después se me fue y no me quiso volver a meter.
No, I didn't see you. But yes, you are. I wrote down that you were there. No problem. Okay, guys. Danny, see you in a while. See you later, alligator. Take care. Have a good
Mister,
day. Tell
To
me.
give extra points for some language, that's hard. It's the hardest in this
Yes,
class.
it's one of the most difficult subjects. Yes. Salvador, nice to see you. I hope you're doing well. Okay, guys. See you in a
Bye.
while. See you in language class. Okay.
Bye,
Take
mister.
care. Take care. Goodbye. In a
Bye,
while.
mister.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye, mister.
See you in a while. All right.